All right. This rooster's on the barbecue. He wants to know what's cooking. Yeah. All right. Are you in charge of cooking tonight? What are we having? Barbecue chicken? Yeah. What do you think you're doing? Huh? Cows are going to watch this. Oh no, you don't really want to do this, he says. Yeah. What do you think, huh? Look at this. This rooster thinks he's going to cook. Yeah. There he goes, feathers all up. Cooking on the grill.